Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix couldn't refresh feed on Instagram. So let me show you here. Here is showing couldn't refresh feed. So to fix this, what we have to do is just simply go to your setting and check whether your data is strong enough or not, or if it's on or not. So you have to check from here, then tap on preferred network type, and you have to check on 4G or auto, then tap on access point names, and from here you have to reset your access point names, then go back to settings menu, and guys, here you can see time and date. So just simply tap on this and make sure that you have turned the toggle on for automatic time zone. If it's not, then you have to turn it on and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply open Play Store and search here for Instagram. So guys, here you can see it's showing here open. If it's showing here update, then what you have to do is just simply up to date your Instagram and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply again open settings and then go to app management and search here for Instagram again, and then tap on permissions and make sure that you have allowed all the permissions from here. Then tap on storage and cache, clear cache and clear storage from here, go back, then you have to force stop and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply uninstall your Instagram from here and turn off your phone for a minute and then turn it back and reinstall your Instagram, and I will guarantee you after doing these all the things your problem will be fixed. So that is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.